So in this video, I'm going to make this video as short as possible because I'm just going to be literally hitting the nail on the head. So if you are a Nigerian and you're actually looking for an actual means of making some extra money in the online space without you having to rack your brain for a business idea or having to invest in anything, or just something on the side hustle that would just take a maximum of 30 minutes daily, then this tutorial is definitely for you, as I'm not going to be doing so much blabbing just to get you to click and watch this video, because I'm actually going to be revealing two unsaturated websites which you can earn money as a side hustle in the online space by just spending a maximum of 30 minutes a day or even less. The first website I'm going to be showing you is one which you can earn at least 10,000 naira daily. If you are, of course, really serious with it, you can make at least 10,000 naira daily. And with this website, you are literally going to be a middleman for electricity. So you are literally going to be selling electricity to people. Now, the name of this website is called Power Shop, and this Power Shop, you can actually go to it by going to powershop.ng, and of course it will take you directly to the website. Now I'm going to break it down for you on how this works. If you are in a part of the country where for 5,000 naira you can only get 21 units, then definitely this is a side hustle that you can actually leverage on, because you can actually purchase electricity using your device like phones, tablets, anytime, any place, and of course earn money by selling them with on this particular platform. Now, what you are going to be doing is you are going to be literally trading electricity. All you need to do is get people to buy, and this is something very easy. Like, you can post it on your status, you can post it on social media, and this is just something that takes about less than 30 minutes. And the first thing I would advise is to start with your friends and your family, who are, of course, is making use of electricity. And what you want to do is that you trade it to them, because this website will offer you a discount while you are selling to them, and also offers a discounted price, so also you get to earn some extra cash on the side. Now, for this website, all you need to do is go in and sign in, or you are going to register since you do not have an account. All you need to do is click the register icon here, and when you click the register icon, it will take you to the part where you have to register your full name, of course, your email address, your phone number, your password. Ensure you repeat the exact password, and you just want to submit to create your account. Once your account is well created, you are going to begin selling. So this is basically the dashboard you are going to use. Now, there is one thing I must let you know about this platform, and I must tell you the advantage of it. Now, this platform has a level of restriction to areas, so it's mostly concentrated in the northern part. So you can see Abuja, you can see Benue, you can see Gombe, you can see Jigawa, you can see Kano, and the likes. But now the beautiful thing is we are just going to be focusing on a sole place. So if you have friends and families in other northern areas that are listed here, then not to worry. However, the place we're going to be focusing on is Abuja, because Abuja is known to be the federal capital territory, and this is where we have people of higher calibers in the society staying, and this is something that would really sell as a good idea to most people who based in Abuja and may have their electricity bill well inflated and on the high. So once you want to make your purchase, or you want to sell to someone, all you need to do is input the location of where the person is, select the account type, prepaid. I would always suggest that you go with prepaid. However, there's also postpaid, so this works with prepaid and postpaid. But for this side hustle model, I think prepaid will be the most preferable option. Now, what you want to do is you get their meter number and you input it here. You put in their phone number and you put in the amount the person wants to buy. Once you click buy now, of course the meter digits will be sent directly to this phone number, and it's good to go. But all you must have already gotten in your money, so you can put it here and of course get your extra cash from it. Now, another beautiful thing about this site is that it also has a merchant application. So now for the merchant application, it is more like you are doing a merchant business. So for this merchant application, you are also like an actual middleman for the company. But this is just on the side. However, this is something that is amazing. And if you do it right and spend at least 30 minutes daily, then you can make at least 10,000 naira daily. If you are a social media freak and you love, watching videos, you love engaging on social media, and of course you are an online person for socials, then this is something you will really be able to do at ease, because this is what you would do on a normal basis, but this time you are literally getting paid for it. So for this particular website, you're going to be earning money for simply completing simple tasks. Now, the name of this website is Side Gig, and this Side Gig, you can access it by going to, of course, sidegig.com. You would want to sign up as a freelancer, and all you need to do is click in the Get Started icon, and you would want to sign in, follow the process, and get all signed in. Now, once you're signed in, you would be brought to this place where you can see the overview, you can see the tax center, and you can see the wallet. So the first thing you want to do is you want to set up your account by clicking on the overview. So this is a new account, so you can see completed tasks, total earnings, fund balance, total balance is all zero. So the first thing you want to do is you want to click on this Side Gig here, and you want to go all the way to settings. When you go to settings, you are going to see a place where you can fill in your personal details here, which will already be auto-filled. And also you want to select your social account, because this is a very important for the tasks you are going to do. Now you want to select a platform. I would suggest, if you have all these platforms, it is best to just fill them in so that you're doing tasks. You can always take tasks. You can take tasks from any of this platform on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Threads, and Facebook, YouTube. So once you set that up, I just did one. So once you set that up, you can see here it's going to be reviewing. And once it is reviewed, you are very, very good to go. And this should not take max 24 hours-ish. Now, the next thing you want to do is go to the tax centers once you get reviewed. Now, basically, you can see we just have little tasks, and you can see the completions and the dates and everything. Now, the first task, you can see post a comment on IG, and you get 8 points. And this 8 points is, of course, it equates into your money. So the first thing is you want to click on this. When you click on this, it's going to take you to a place where you are going to see the main details of this. And once you see the main details of this, you can see comment your thoughts about the post on the link and upload a screenshot for verification. So you open the link, you complete the task, you upload the screenshot, and automatically, as long as your social media page is already reviewed, and once your task is completed, your money is going to reflect here. And this is something that you can actually do very easily. If you spend 30 minutes daily doing this, just going to social media and doing basic tasks, then this is something that you can actually make some cool money from. And the beautiful thing about this is you are going to be paid directly into your bank account. So there's nothing like PayPal or, going through all the way to different platforms. Everything is done directly to your bank account. Now, I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Have you tried it out? And also, let me know where you are watching from. I would like to know where my subscribers are watching from. I hope you found this video super helpful, and I'm TFI. I help to show you ways on how to make money online. We are just past 500. You can see us here. We have 524 subscribers. And of course, make sure to subscribe to the channel, join the family, and also in the link on the description, I will be leaving the link to our Telegram community. Make sure to click in there and join, just in case you're not getting my videos up in your feed. There I post every update as regards making money online. So stay tuned